Welcome to Eating Well with Crystal. The temperature outside is below freezing. Even the sun in winter looks so weak. 2 more weeks until Christmas. We're in the middle of the coldest winter days. And I'm homesick, missing the friends and family far away across the ocean, as well as the cold winter comfort food staple, lamb. No matter it is the popular street food lamb kebab or the more aggressive roasted whole lamb, the winter memories of my hometown in China was filled with various ways of eating lamb that kept me warm in winter. Even though it is too much for my body to handle a large amount of meat in one sitting at my age, but as a foodie who also pursue healthy eating, I believe moderate consumption of lamb in winter is beneficial, especially today's recipe, lamb rice. Lamb gives the dish the unique flavor, while the other ingredients also contribute to the richness of the meal. Plus, it is the one-pot wonder. Basically, you toss a bunch of ingredients into the pot, cover it up, and voila! Sometime later, a home-cooked dish without a sink full of pots and pans. And it's incredibly comforting, tasty, and nutritious. Not only helps the body absorb the iron, zinc, and B12 more efficiently from the meat, but also provides a rich source of high-quality protein to keep you full longer to get through your cold, long winter nights. Now let's see how to cook this delicious lamb rice recipe. I bought 2 packs of these shoulder chops, about 1.3 pounds including the bones. Cut the lamb meat into 1 to 2 inch pieces. It is okay to leave some meat with the bones. I'm going to use the bone later to make the accompanying soup. Then peel off 2 medium-sized carrots. Wash them clean and chop into 1-inch cubes. Another ingredient is onion. I use 1 purple onion. Peel, wash, and cut into small pieces. The shapes of the onion and the carrots are not that important in this recipe. Three ingredients, 3 same-sized plates. It's easier to control the quantity of each ingredient this way. The 4th ingredient is rice. I used 2 cups of white rice and 1 cup of brown rice. Rinse it clean. Then soak it under the water for 20 to 30 minutes. The lamb rice recipe was originated from Xinjiang province, which is well known for its fine wool sheep breed. Also has a perfect climate, dry and plenty sunshine to grow grapes. That's why the authentic recipe includes raisin. Paired with carrots and onions, the natural sugar from these foods sweeten this lamb rice recipe nicely. For the dressing ingredients, you only need 2 spices, salt and cumin ground. Salt will enhance the overall taste, and the cumin, its unique, strong flavor, is a perfect match with the lamb meat. Now we have everything, time to cook. I used my Dutch oven to cook the meat and the veggie first. Heat the pot with medium heat. Pour ½ tablespoon cooking oil in. When the oil is hot, put the lamb in. Turn the heat on high. Stir and cook until the meat changes color. Then add the onions in. Stir and until you can smell the aroma from the onion. Then add the carrots in. Mix well and close the lid. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the onion turns to translucent and the carrots soften down. You can see the heat distract more liquid into the mix. Then add half tablespoon salt in. Taste to adjust. A little bit salty is preferred since the rice will mellow down the saltiness. 2/3 teaspoon cumin ground. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Next step is adding the rice. You have two options. I first show you the Dutch oven option. Transfer the rice on top of the mix. Flatten it up using the soaking rice water to fill the pot until the water level is same as the rice. This step is important. You should not put too much water in it. The rice will turn out mushy. But if you don't put enough water in it, the rice will be too hard to chew on. The last step is to add the raisin to the top. Use the chopsticks to poke holes to allow air travel up to bring out the flavor to the top. Then close the lid and set the heat to medium and let it cook for about 40 minutes. You will want to monitor the pot to avoid the overburn. The smell will tell. Usually when you smell the burning, the bottom of the pot will become black. Try to catch the moment right before you smell the burning. Turn off the heat. The rice should be fully cooked. Give the ingredients a thorough mix and enjoy. The other option is to use the rice cooker. In this way, the meat and the veggie will be on top. Difference between these two: the Dutch oven cooking, the rice texture tastes more firm and chewy because the rice is steaming then soaking under. While in rice cooker, rice is soaked under and covered by the meat and the veggie mix. It could turn out softer and more delicate. Other than that, these two ways of cooking taste almost identical. But the upside of using rice cooker is its convenience, and you don't have to really worry about the burning at the bottom. One thing to keep in mind though is, again, the water level. The normal water level to cook rice is to have the water above the rice around 1 inch. For this recipe, you want to reduce the water level down to 2/3 or a little bit less. Because the meat and the veggie mix also contains water. Too much water, the rice will turn out mushy and lose its chewy texture. I realized this after I put the same amount of water in the rice. Here I tell you, don't make the same mistake. Add the raisin at last. Set the rice cooker for your regular rice cooking time. And you can go and relax until the rice cooker beeps. While waiting, I went ahead to prepare the accompanying soup. Soak 1 pack of thin rice noodle under the water. Cut some ginger roots, 1 piece of green onion, also prepare some goji berries, then set aside. When the time is up for the rice cooker, Unplug, open the lid, deep breathe. It smells really good. Give it a thorough mix. And pick out the bones for the soup. Pour enough water to soak the bones under. Add in ginger root slice. Bring the water to a boil. Then add the thin rice noodle in. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to soften the noodles. The bone will carry enough flavor to the soup. Make the soup an ideal match to this dish. Now you can add in the goji berries and a few drops of vinegar to help break down the cartilage in the bones. You can turn off the heat now. Taste and adjust with a pinch of salt if needed. The last is to drop a chopped green onions in the soup for garnish and freshness. For the full meal, I will not forget a small plate of salad to balance out this meaty main dish. Time to enjoy this full meal. Take a bite of the lamb rice. Give you the full joy of tender lamb, sweet carrots, plus chewy rice, and a sip of hot lamb bone rice noodle soup. Have a fork of fresh green salad. It is a very satisfying full meal and will warm you up head to toes. Now you have it. Try it out. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes to enjoy the good food, also improve your health. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time soon. Bye.